WeatherWords is a production of The Reporter, Delaware County's leading news source.
Good day to everyone, at least at the moment. Actually, if you look in the woods behind me, these are the kind of snowfalls they make all the holiday greeting cards out of. The snow's all stuck to the trees. It kind of looks kind of pretty. I'm not sure what the roads condition looks like because I haven't been on them yet, but I would just simply say, please be careful. Since I talked to you this past Thursday, we've had nothing but rain, snow, sleet, more rain, more snow. All it does is it can't make up its mind. Between last Thursday and right now, we almost have 1.5 inches of liquid that's fallen out of the sky, whether it's solid or whether it's actually the other. When I did chores this morning, when I went outside to start with, it was snowing. When I came back in, I got soaked because it was raining, and now it's back to snow. They say we could get another 2 to 4 more inches. Up by my house right now, there's about 4.5 inches. It is really, really heavy, like that other snowfall. I mean, it clumps right up. It almost feels like you're shoveling slush, so please be careful if you're shoveling. Take little bites because we don't need anybody keeling over with anything that can happen shoveling snow. It's going to clear away by tomorrow. By clearing, I mean it's not going to be snowing and it's not going to be raining. It's not going to be sunny either. Again, the one thing I said even back when we did the thing on solar panels, I said, during this time of the year, we hardly ever see the sun. And I think over the past week, we've seen it maybe twice. And one time it was a half a day, okay? Anyway, what's coming up next is going to be Wednesday and Thursday. It's going to be more powerful than the one we have right now, and it's going to have wind, and it all depends on where the low pressure system's going to be as it comes up the coast. If it's more toward the ocean, we're going to have all snow from this thing. If it's in the middle part of the whole thing, it's going to start as snow, then it's going to change to sleet and freezing rain, and it's going to end as rain here. Okay, that's going to be on top of what we're standing on right now. And again, no place to go but into the brooks and the streams and every place else. I would think after the past 1.5 inches, they're probably getting rather full. But we'll see what happens. At a certain point, I think I'd rather take the snow. And you know what? At least the kids can go out and sleigh ride and things. Most schools are closed. There's a few on a couple-hour delay. But I wouldn't want to drive a bus in this either. I mean, think of all the things that could happen and then be happy they're not going to. Okay? So, again, Wednesday, Thursday, some more. Then a clearing. Along with the clearing, it's going to get normal cold, which means like it is right now. Right now it's about 31 degrees. That 31 should be our high for today, and yet we had it all night long. And that's why we had what was falling out of the sky keep changing its condition. So today, don't expect a whole lot of temperature increase. In fact, the other day, we started at 27, and we got to 29. That was our whole temperature increase for Saturday. It was just one of those, you look outside and said, yuck. In fact, I've said that for about 4 days now. I'm just going to say it again. Yuck. Okay. Hopefully, this will all end later this morning. The plows will get out and everything will be fine. We'll keep our fingers crossed.
To subscribe or advertise, call 607-464-4009.